Hi guys, it's Aniatullah from Audio Direct, and well, some days are just better than others. We find ourselves today in this absolutely stunning Ferrari California drop top with this beautiful white interior with yellow stitching, yellow seat belts, yellow dials. The thing is stunning. The only thing that is, however, letting it down, of course, is the entertainment system from Ferrari themselves. So what you see here in the Ferrari California is the original Ferrari head unit. It's not exactly a Ferrari head unit. Those of you in the know which car this came out from. But we're going to be swapping this out for the latest touchscreen with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. We're also going to be adding a front and rear camera to make sure that this precious beast doesn't hit the tarmac. Hi guys, so as you can see, the plug and play unit is now in place and the fitment is absolutely perfect. There's not a millimeter of space around it, and also the steering wheel controls for the volume, as you can see, work absolutely perfectly. And in addition to that as well, on the right toggle I can actually skip through all the functionality of the unit as well, simply by pressing one button. There you can see it's going through phone, radio, navigation, music, video, so on and so forth. And also, see, that will take you directly to phone. You've got your home button. It has the shortcut to the main interface, as well as this. When I'm driving, the speed will also appear here. And best of all, of course, the most used feature, of course, is Apple Carplay. There you can even see the Ferrari logo. Has all your WhatsApp messages. It has Siri as well, Spotify for all of your music. Super handy. You've also got Google Maps as well. Very hard to pick up the clarity of this unit. It's absolutely perfect. Press the home button again, press reverse on this, and we've got the HD rear camera, absolutely crystal clear. And not only that, because of course it's a Ferrari and you want to keep everything intact on this car, press the home button or engage neutral, as the case may be. Excuse me, just having to do this on one hand. Basically, we've also got a shortcut here for the front camera. So here you see it picks up on the front camera as well, which again is HD. And on the front one, you simply press the home button to come into the aftermarket stereo fitted by Audio Direct.